right. Setting up Pixel's conversion API, CAPI, is such a pain in the butt. And you never know if you did it right. It's always hard to do. You have to be very technical. And I am not a technical person. So UpHex has this dope thing called a smart pixel, smart tracker. So all you got to do is you go into whatever client account you're needing to pixel. And you go over here where you see this little code thing. You click on that. This is so simple, you guys. And you're going to grab the smart tracking pixel. So bam, you copy that code. Now, for those of you who don't know, what we're doing is anytime you're sending paid ads or any kind of traffic, really, any kind of visitors to a website, you want to track who they are. You want to track how far down your sales funnel they go. And you do that with a pixel. Now, in this case, UpHex has our very own server-to-server pixel. So you don't got to mess with any of that stuff, and it's going to send all those signals back to Facebook or back to Google, whichever one you're using, or both. Now, all you do, you copy that code. Now, I have been working on this webinar funnel, okay? And it's come watch me build your ads library live. People register, they click save. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and hit save. And then they go to this thank you page. Now on this thank you page, there's a video, a Vimeo video, and then they click all these buttons. And every time they click, it's another level of attribution. Or in other words, it's telling me how far down that funnel that person is, okay? So in order to do that, I built this funnel in Manus. That's my builder of choice. I've started with it a while ago. I really like it. This code will go on any website, on any funnel. It'll go on high-level funnels, Lovable. You can use Claude and build sites, and you can dump it into Claude. And the same thing that I'm doing in Manus is what you would do in Claude as well, or any other AI builder. So you simply go ahead and you paste in that code. Okay. And then you say something, I'm using WhisperFlow. I've just given you a tracking code that I want installed on my website that we're working on right here, the workshop funnel. Go ahead and do that. Natural language, I would hit install and off it would go. Now, I'm not going to do that because I've already done that. I don't want to install it twice. But the next thing you would do is, okay, you have that pixel installed on your website. How do you get it? We're going to go back here. How do you get it to when they click that button, it's going to say, boom, they did another thing. I'm going to go ahead and opt in again. And then how do you get it to when they land on this page, you know that they made it this far? Well, that's called a custom event. And in order to do that, all you do is you say, okay, I've given you the tracking pixel. Now I want to work on creating custom events for this funnel so I can track people's progress down my sales funnel. What would you recommend based on what we've built that I install for custom conversions? And then you would hit enter. I already did that. Sorry, it would have been more fun on a live account. So that's what I did here. Okay. And then it said, okay, we want to set up these different event codes. And I said, cool, go do it. And it did it. That's how simple this is. Natural language to take care of all the technical garbage. This works in both Manus, this works in Claude, and any other future connection that we make. So ChatGPT, Gemini, when we make those connections, if you're using those LLMs, it will work just the same. So go ahead, get your smart tracking stuff installed on all your assets, establish your event codes, rock and roll.